Hi Alexa, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am okay, thank you. What is the plan for today?
I want to go to the market to buy some fruits.
What are your favorite fruits, Alexa?
My favorite fruit is banana and mango. What are your favorite fruits, Tony?
I like watermelon and kiwi.
Well, I am going to the market now. Talk to you soon. Hi Tony, I am back from the market and I bought the following fruits.
Great. Please tell me more about each fruit. Thank you.
Apple, apricots, arbutus, bananas, berry, blueberries, cantaloupe melon, cherry, citrus, clementine, coconut, custard apple, dates fruit, dragon fruit, durian, grapefruit, grapefruit, guanabana, guava, hazelnut, honeydew melon, jackfruits, kiwano, mangosteen, orange, papaya, passion fruit, peaches, pear, pineapples, plums, pomegranate, rambutan fruit, raspberry, star fruit, strawberries, tangerines, watermelon,